This pipe right here is cracked. It's 135 schedule PVC. Sorry it's a little loud, but guys next door are doing the landscaping. So I have to cut this out and repair it. So you can't lift this. So how do you just stick a piece of pipe in here without being able to lift? Buried in the dirt over here, elbow right here. So I'm going to cut here and here and put elbows in. So here is the elbows installed to, accept the repair section or the splice section that I'm going to put in. So I'll just cut the pipe. This is one schedule 135 or whatever it is. So I used a Sawzall blade and a holder, and I used a metal shield here because this 135 schedule is real thin and you can't use pipe cutters on it without cracking it. So anyway, those are the elbows pointing up. This is the splice section, and so obviously I measured all this and blah blah blah, but this is going to drop in just like this, so I don't have to worry about jacking up the pipe or anything like that. I just slip this in. It's ugly, but it works. And this is an irrigation line, so I don't really give a crap. I just want this to get done and not ever leak again. And so I'm going to glue these up and stick it in there right now.